Hello guys, I am Evan and I'm going to teach you about the sport of bowling. So, let me run you through the basics. A strike is when you get all 10 pins down. Let me show you an example. Make sure you can see the pins. So this is gonna be a strike. Well, maybe. Well, that was not a strike, but strike is all 10 pins. Alrighty. So and now a spare is like when you leave a pin and you get it. And this can happen with multiple pins as well. I'll show it to you with this single pin right here. Yeah, spares are kind of easy. So now I will show you what a split is. A split is like two or more pins with a gap in between. See this humongous gap in between? So I will do an example of a split. Well, see how it's kind of apart? Yeah, that's when you know when it's a split. Well, that was not a split conversion, but split is when you get like two or more gap-like pieces, pins, and get both of them or all of them. So next, I'm gonna teach you what axis rotation is. So, axis rotation is when the ball's spinning. And then axis tilt is when the ball is like spinning like a top. And then RPM is like no spin. And then here's like a big amount of RPM. See how it's kind of like spinning? The faster it goes, the more RPM. So that's basically what it is. So thank you for watching, and please comment below when is a good date. Like today I'm gonna post this on this is a Sunday. Sunday and Wednesday are your two choices. And you may also comment below any questions you have. And so, thanks for watching and goodbye.